Good evening, YouTube. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from the Forest Church Apartments on Wednesday, the final days of February. And I am proud to say, I have to say that I'm liking my classes at the Excel Center so much. So this video today is brought to you by the Excel Center in Bloomington, Indiana. If you guys just find out about the Excel Center, it will help you out in a heartbeat if you guys are looking for like your high school education. If you guys are in the Bloomington region, please call 812-353-0115. And then after that, we are planning to talk about a life update. So far in my life, I have been really been liking it here in Bloomington, Indiana. I started over there on the east side, but now I turn on the west side and I'm like, OMG, the people are so nice here. I can get like a big full image of what I'm wanting to do when I come home because my bus passes all the restaurants. And I'm like, wow. And then after that, the people are going around and like one day I went to Freddy's and the people was like, "Hi Tommy, what would you like to order today?" I told them my usual Freddy burger with fries and a concrete mixer and a drink. Well, I did not have enough for that. And then after that, a couple of people in Bloomington, Indiana, that I really do recommend you guys go visit, is the Taste of India, the Slum House, Dagwoods, and a whole lot of different stuff in Bloomington, if you guys are interested into it. And if you guys just simply just give it a try, you guys would honestly just go wow on their service. Because there are like so many nice people here in Bloomington. I've been on top of it like so much. And I just want to say thank you to the Taste of Bloomington, the the big woods of Bloomington, the chocolate mousse. I want to say thank you to Bloomington Transit and BT Access for giving me the best service. I want to say thank you to Rural Transit for helping out people with disabilities. And I would like to give give like different updates on different people's lives. So if you guys have not follow Bloomington, Indiana on YouTube, I just really do recommend you guys follow it. It is a real big reality from a normal standpoint on YouTube. But but be aware if you guys type in Bloomington videos, it may show stuff about Indiana University, which coming up in another video on Thursday. I will be talking about some people with the life of Indiana University. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, signing out.